Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Are you planning your Christmas or holiday meals this week? I've got you covered. On Dr. J's Kitchen, you're going to find everything that you need for a stress-free holiday menu. From classic holiday hams with pineapple and cherries to an apple cider and mustard glazed ham, even cherry bourbon and chipotle ham. Delicious. Need an easy main dish? I've got slow cooker Instant Pot turkey with gravy, beef tenderloin, filet mignon, and even a cozy sage butternut and squash ravioli. And of course, side dishes, perfect Instant Pot mashed potatoes, creamed corn. I've got cranberry sauce, corn casserole, cheesy potatoes, and vegetarian gravy. Christmas brunch, we've got you covered. Texas French toast, we have bread machine pumpkin bread. Desserts, yeah, we've got mini cheesecakes, bread pudding, apple pear crisp, and more. So before you finalize your holiday menu, head over to Dr. J's Kitchen and start planning. Your Christmas and holiday cooking just got so much easier.